Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro. So you have to start with opening your settings application and now scroll down and click on Google and now click on parental controls and now click get started. Now click on child or teen and then click next. Now you have to click on Add or Create Account for My Child. And now you have to type in your child's email address. Now you have to type in password, so let me do that off screen. Now click on I agree. Now click accept. And select your account. And now you have to enter your parent email address. Now click next. And now you have to click more, and now you have to type in your child's password. Now you have to wait for your accounts to be linked. And click next. Now scroll down and click next. Now click next again. And now you can install Family Link, or you can click skip and then install this program manually. And now click on Review Controls, and here are all controls to your parental supervision. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.